Welcome, welcome. I'm so excited to bring you this top. It's an accumulation of like 3 different things. So I'm going to explain it to you. I hope you love it. I love it. I'm going to actually, well, maybe I won't. But anyway, I was going to say I will put it on because it's so cute on. It's just really cute. The mannequin doesn't do it justice. But anyway, so what I love in the summertime is just like little cardis. 4-way cardi is what I have on. Just cardis because I love sleeveless stuff, but it's just cold when you go into places. I know I've said this many times, but this is perfect, and it's a bringing together of several things, and I'll tell you. So the original, this is 709. This is a blouse pattern, and I'm going to show you what I did and how I changed it, and it's just really fun. So the blouse pattern, the whole name Jill comes in because Jill, you know Jill, from Australia, and she was at a workshop in, not sure, and it doesn't matter, and had on a kind of a little version. And then I was at the Armani store and they had a new version of this blouse. And anyway, I pulled them all together. So this is what it is. Let me just show you, and then I'll explain to you the parts and pieces. So you can leave it open and wear it just like that. There's a button here on the outside, and there's a button up here on the inside. And these tabs are a little bit longer, and I'm going to show you how to make those tabs longer. I'll show you how to do it all. But this can come up here, and this can come up so that they can button on the opposite shoulders. And what that does is it creates a little cowl front if you want it worn like that. We can call this Jill's 3-way cardi. And so then if these are unbuttoned, and you can certainly, those little buttons, you'll never know they're there. You can take this middle part, and because so much today is twisted or tied or whatever, I just find it adorable to tie it in the front and have a little tie like that. So just a fun little top to do, and very, very easy. So let's first talk the pattern work. This is 709, and it is Kelsey's blouse. And this was an Armani, a beautiful Armani. I mean, it was a beautiful blouse, $800 for a blouse, but really a beautiful blouse. This is what's called a portrait collar. I mean, we did away with that, but anyway, so I'm going to leave that there. So what you're going to do is you're going to take 5 pieces. There's actually going to be 6. You're going to have, because the sleeve I took from I have on Vince's dress. This is the one I made in the webcast the other night. Love it. So I used the sleeve. I used my knit sleeve from your sweater set, from wherever you want to do it. But I've got the blouse back, the side back, and the blouse front, because this is a princess seam, the side, and then of course the collar and the sleeve. So all of these pieces, I'm not going to do any changes to, except because I'm using this amazing fabric. This is a DKNY, and it's a denim. I mean, it's just cool. When I burn it, it burns almost a clean cotton. It's got just a small percent of something else in it, but it is amazing. And I love both sides of it. Certainly both sides are usable. Just a fabulous fabric. I mean, you know, in all of the great pattern work, it's the fabric that is so great. And I just love it. It's got really great drape, but it's a cotton, and it's beautiful. Really wonderful. So I wanted to use a fabric that had 2 ways that I could see both sides. I wouldn't be bothered by seeing the back side. And on this fabric, you could put the light to the outside and the dark to the inside. This could make great leggings. This could do lots of stuff. And it's also got stretch in both directions. That's not necessary. It doesn't make a difference. But I do think whenever a fabric has stretch in both directions, it has a really nice drape. Okay, so that's the fabric. That's the pattern. The pattern changes I'm going to do because I'm using my sweater set sleeve. And just to show you, this is the pattern I have on. But if you look at the blouse, and if you look at the tissue, and this is my knit sleeve, and this is my blouse sleeve. So if you put those together, you'll see that the knit sleeve is smaller, and you can see that what you have to do when you put the shoulders together is you have to extend the side seam up. So you're going to extend the side seam up and then curl around. Okay, very easy to do. You're going to do that in the front and the back. That's the only changes you're going to make on the body. The front has a facing, no facing. It's just the 4 pieces cut. Make sure you change your armhole and use your sweater set sleeve, because this is a knit sleeve. And then what I'm going to do is on the collar, I'm going to change the collar. Now the curved edge on a collar, usually, typically, is the neck edge. So I'm going to keep that there, but I only cut it 2 inches wide. So I cut it 2 inches wide in the back, and then as I brought it around, I narrowed it to exactly what it was here, and then I extended it 6 inches. All right, and so what that's going to do, let's go back to this a little bit, is that's going to give you these ties. So I sewed the whole blouse together just like normal. I finished off the front edge, I hemmed it, I did everything. The only thing left was the collar. And when I did the collar, I serged one edge, and you could do it many different ways. You don't certainly have to do it like I did it. I put the neck edge together, right sides together, and then I flipped it around to make a binding and stitched on the serged edge. All right, so that gave me, it's a little bit wider in the back. And what I also love about this on is it fits so beautifully in the back. If you want, you know, a lot of our knits, they have one piece and that's fine, but this, because of the princess seam, is really, really beautiful in the back. So anyway, it's a little wider in the back. It comes around, and there's the 5 inches, and I just stitched it together, and then I did a little buttonhole in the end of that extension. Okay, easy enough. So then this, and it doesn't matter which side you do it in, there's a buttonhole on the inside on one side, and then there's a button on the outside. Both have buttonholes on them. A button on the outside. And this is just a real cute way to wear this. If I want just a little bit of like a little cowl in the front, the body fits beautiful, or then I can tie it, or I can leave it open. Either way, we're going to call it Jill's three-way cardi, even though Jill didn't know that she was doing this. We'll say hi to all our Australian friends, and it's adorable. So, from Silhouette Patterns, happy sewing.